Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deactivate or delete your Meta accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, the updated way. Let's begin. So here we are, and first let's open our Facebook app right here. And remember that you can also do this in Instagram because it's basically the same. If your Instagram is connected to your Meta account and such as your Facebook, then you can also do it in Instagram. But in this case, we'll be using the Facebook app. So from here, you want to tap here on the three horizontal bars at the top right of your screen. And from here, you want to go into settings and privacy, tap on it. And from here, you want to tap on settings next. And now you want to tap on Meta Account Center. And from here, you want to go into personal details right here. And you want to go into account ownership and control. And now go to deactivation or deletion. And from here, you can choose what account that you want to deactivate or delete. So if you want Instagram, then you would need to provide your password for this one and the next step. So from here, deactivate account and continue. Right here, tap on continue, and as you can see, you need to provide your password right here for your Instagram. But in my case, I'll go for Facebook. I'll go for deactivation right here for Facebook, or you can also delete this account if you'd want to. And for me, I just want to deactivate and continue. And now I need to provide my passwords. And now that I have input my password, then I can tap on continue. And from here, you would need to select a reason on why you are deactivating your Facebook. Then you can just choose any other reason and continue. And you can also just have the option to reactivate automatically for your account. So you have a lot of timeline right here or duration. So it depends on what you want. But in my case, I'll just click on continue. And when you tap here on deactivate your account, then your account would be deactivated after this step. And remember that your messenger will still remain active. Using messenger will not reactivate your deactivated Facebook account. Your profile picture will still be visible in your conversation and so on. So you would actually need to manually deactivate your messenger and after this. So that will be in another video. So you can search it up in my channel and I'll teach you how to do that. And now let's tap on deactivate my account so that we will now be deactivating our Facebook account. And here it is. And now my account is now deactivated just like that. And that is basically how you deactivate your Instagram or Facebook in your Meta Account Center. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.